In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a travel website using WP Travel Engine, the go-to plugin for turning your WordPress site into a travel booking powerhouse. Whether you're starting a new travel business or expanding your services online, this guide will provide you with the tools you need to get started. First things first, you'll need to have WordPress installed. You can host it on WP Engine or any web host of your choice, whichever is most convenient for you. Once you have your WordPress installation ready, the next step is to log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control panel for all your website's backend needs. From the dashboard, navigate to Plugins, hover over this on the sidebar, and select Add New. Now you'll see a search bar. In this search bar, type WP Travel Engine. Once you find it, simply click Install and then Activate. This plugin is the backbone of your travel website, providing essential features like trip listings and booking options. Once activated, head to WP Travel Engine settings. Under General, you'll have the flexibility to adjust key configurations to better suit your needs. You'll want to make sure your website is set to the correct currency for your travel packages. Additionally, you'll also choose from various trip types. This ensures that your customers can easily navigate through the different kinds of trips you offer. In the same settings area, look for booking options. Customizing these options will allow you to define how your customers book their trips, ensuring a smooth experience from start to finish. Now let's start adding some trips. Go to the Trips section in your dashboard and select Add New Trip. Here, you'll be able to add detailed information about each trip you offer, starting with a captivating title and description. As you fill out the trip details, don't forget to add an itinerary to give your travelers a clear view of what to expect day by day. Include some beautiful images to really illustrate the adventures they'll experience. Then, set the price and availability, making sure your customers know exactly what they're paying for and when trips are available. With the core trips set up, it's time to build the pages for your site. Create an All Trips page by adding the shortcode WP Travel Engine Trips. This will display all your listed trips in one place. Similarly, create a booking page with the shortcode WP Travel Engine Booking, enabling easy bookings. Under WP Travel Engine, find the Settings section for pages to connect these pages seamlessly. Once your pages are set, head over to the Appearance section to customize the theme of your site. Adjust menus, colors, and the home page layout to match your brand's aesthetic and make it truly yours. Finally, don't forget to add all these new pages to your website's menu. Navigate to Appearance once more, then Menus, and make sure each crucial page is included. By doing so, visitors can navigate your site effortlessly. And there you have it. You've just created a fully functional travel website using WP Travel Engine. Remember, attention to detail is key, so take your time fine-tuning each step until your site is just how you envision it.